Republic and Uzbekistan. Now we are entering into the hostel.
With
Just have a look.
fireflies, you gaze at me with open eyes. The night is falling.
Now we are inside the girls' hostel. Let's see the living room, kitchen, laundry room, everything. Just follow.
To sleep. I see you want
Entering to the
to
study.
sympathize. You gaze at me with open eyes. The king and all his treasures.
So just enter the students' laundry rooms.
All I want is you to sleep.
Every floor had each laundry rooms.
Sleep, sleep, my love. That's what I'm dreaming of, my baby.
Now we are inside the kitchen. You can see the available of stoves which students can cook here, and it also drinking water is available, so there's no problem for the students. And there's availability of fridge also, so students can feel comfortable to stay in this hostel. Now we are in the second floor of this building. You can see there is a CCTV facilities and a Wi-Fi facilities for the students. And now we'll see the living room of students. Now we are entering the students.
My babe, my love, my babe, my love.
It's see they
You'll grow up
study room
happy,
of
strong
second
and wise, but first you need to close those eyes towards the morning hours.
We have water facilities for the students that are inside the campus. So these are all facilities just for the students' comfortability, and choosing this hostel is very good. Each hostel consists of a hut like this so that student can do a chit chats.
My babe, my love. Sleep, 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 my love.
The biggest playground so that students can play football, volleyball. DJ nights were also held in this playground. It looks so crazy. Still, ambience and food court, everything was just like amazing.